Hey there, folks, Dan here, and I want to touch on today why it's important for your business to install a Facebook Messenger chatbot, regardless of whether you're going to use it tomorrow, next week, next year. And the reason why it's really important that businesses take advantage of the Facebook Messenger space at the moment is that every business, regardless of how many likes you have on your page, how many email subscribers you have, how big your audience is, every business on with a Facebook Messenger chatbot starts from zero. Zero. Okay, so it's a completely levels the playing field and everyone starts from scratch. For you to be able to collect subscribers, have the ability to message them down the track, just like you would collect email subscribers, for you to have the ability to promote your business, to automate some of the features, to convert more people and open up a conversation with more people than you may have had the opportunity to beforehand, then you need to have a Facebook chatbot installed. Fortunately, it's a really simple process. And without it, your Facebook page simply isn't collecting Messenger subscribers. So it's not like a email subscription list or a phone call list. You can't cold message people. So if you've got 100,000 likes, if you've got 100 likes, if you've got 1,000,000 likes in your Facebook page, you can't actually go out and cold message those people. It's completely against Facebook's terms of service, and they're incredibly strict on this to make sure that they control the user experience in Facebook Messenger. So on top of that, you can't go and, like you may go and buy an email list or followers. You can't do that. There's no such thing as going and buying a Facebook Messenger list. You can't upload followers elsewhere. Most third-party tools won't even let you export your Facebook Messenger users to be able to use them elsewhere, and particularly not with that user's permission as well. So it's really important that if you want to get started in this space, you just need to connect a chatbot to your page. Thankfully, it's what I say less than a 20-minute process, and that's me being kind for people that might take a little bit longer to be able to set these things up. And you get access to my complete guide when I run my Facebook Messenger chatbot training this time next week. Running several sessions. You can access the training at organicdigital.com.au/chatbot webinar. I'll put the link in the comments. It's also in the caption as well. And you can sign up there. There are different sessions. You sign up through Facebook Messenger. So if you do get redirected, don't get freaked out. It's going to open up a new Facebook Messenger conversation because, of course, and I'm going to get you to sign up there. It is $10 to sign up to the webinar because I'm going to bring a hell of a lot of value. You're going to learn what an actual Facebook Messenger chatbot is, why you need to get involved in the space, and today's, of course, one of those reasons. But I'm going to go into more detail on that. I'm actually going to show you some live examples, and you're going to see how a Facebook Messenger bot works. So you'll see both what the business sees and what the user sees. So you'll get some real life examples, some real life case studies, and you'll have the opportunity to ask me all of those questions that you just not sure about how a Facebook Messenger chatbot works. And I get it, it is a little bit confusing as to how you get people in there, what the steps are, what they see, what you see, how you can have the opportunity to message them. I'm going to basically clear all of that up. So by the end of that webinar, you'll come out of there feeling a lot more confident with your ability to set up a Facebook Messenger chatbot on your Facebook page. If you haven't already, you'll also get access to my quick start guide that will run through the steps, including screenshots, as to how you set it up, how you connect it, what you need to get set up to at least just getting a working chatbot, and basically having that ability to collect subscribers. So even though you are starting from zero, you're going to grow your subscriber base from then as well. But just remember, everyone starts from scratch. There's no such thing as cold messaging like you can email, phone numbers, LinkedIn messaging. They're the worst. So the only way that you can message people is by getting them to interact with your chatbot, and you need that connected. And I think that's actually a really good thing, just to go off tangent a little bit here as well. But from a user experience perspective, there's nothing worse than I don't know about you, but probably in the 5 minutes I've been online here, I've probably received half a dozen emails from promotional emails out there. And I actually use a dummy email now to sign up to these things because it's just one that I don't check. You get emails every single day and you just glaze over them. Whereas Facebook Messenger, it's my own space. I can control that. I can control who I messages, when they message me, and how I can easily get removed from these chatbots as well. So regardless of what we're trying to do and add value as businesses, you need to remember that Facebook, at the end of the day, always have their user base at the top of the food chain. Even if we give them money, their power and their share price relies purely on their user base. So they will always put the user base ahead of the businesses, and the advertising, that's fair enough. They need to maintain the integrity of that channel. And the great thing is that if you are a good marketer, that you do offer value to your subscribers and you do have a Facebook Messenger chatbot connected to your page, then you can have the ability to do that. So if you've got any questions about the webinar itself next week or about chatbots, I'd also like to know, would you be interested? Are you looking at installing a chatbot now on your Facebook page? There's a poll on the Facebook Live. You can answer yes, no, or already have, but feel free to interact with that and let me know. I'd love to see what people are thinking, what the burning questions are, so I can actually cover them next week as well. I'm finalizing rather the training slides and the presentation for next week, but I'd love to hear what you guys think so I can make sure I touch on it next week, and I want to deliver as much value as possible. Obviously, because you're paying to come to this webinar, I want the people that are interested in this space are going to put their money where their mouth is and actually execute some of the lessons I'm going to teach during that session. So if you've got any questions, let me know. Otherwise, until then, I look forward to seeing you, but it's bye for now. Catch ya.